So the crypto market crash of December 3rd dragged Bitcoin down below $50,000. And of course, every time Bitcoin sneezes, altcoins catch a cold. This instance was no exception. We saw billions of dollars liquidated. And now we have to ask that very ominous question, have we entered the bear market? Well, that is not what this video is about. Instead, this video is about finding market opportunities during this most recent crash. In the words of true tycoons, the best way to make money is to buy up assets when blood is running in the streets. If you remember perhaps the .com crash, take the example of Amazon. It went from $107 to just $7, and Priceline dropped 99%. And let's assume, just for the sake of argument, that cryptocurrency as a total market follows this particular example of the .com crash. I'm not saying that will happen, but let's just say, for the sake of illustration, that it is the case. The question becomes, what are the Amazons and the Pricelines that you want to invest in while they're down, while they're significantly reduced? Because we've identified our winners, and this could be a very interesting time to fill up your bags. Hey everybody, I am Matty and this is Altcoin Buzz, a crypto investment research company. We have been through the highs, we've been through the lows over these last few years. This is nothing, but the question always becomes, how do you capitalize? Whether the market is moving up, whether the market is moving down, how do you best capitalize on the circumstances that you're experiencing? And in our case, we've been in this space now for several years. In fact, we've been making millionaires in crypto since all the way back in 2017 because we've adapted to the market and we've always maintained our confidence in big picture projects and winners such as Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Crypto.com, Enjin, MATIC Network, Chiliz, Quant Network, Polkadot, Uniswap, and many other 100x ROI projects. And guys, if you don't want to miss out on the next potential altcoin gem or crypto moonshot, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz, and hit the bell to receive notifications because that way YouTube alerts you every time we publish new content. And if you're interested in going to the next level and gaining access exclusively to our early research tips on the next 100x crypto, well, then you need to be part of our paid membership program. That is called Altcoin Buzz Access. And if that should be of interest to you, you can find more information by clicking the link in our description below. Quick disclaimer before we proceed, as you guys know, any kind of investment, crypto or otherwise, does have corresponding risk. And so just a reminder that this video is neither financial nor investment advice. Okay, with that being said, let's take a look at the first coin on our list that we are considering during this downtrend. It is, of course, Ethereum, the king of smart contracts. And because of being the first programmable blockchain, Ethereum has its feet fixed at number 2 on the basis of its market capitalization, which, as you guys can see at the time of this recording, sits at about $496 billion. At one point, the Ethereum ecosystem was considered a dead end, but the relative longevity of the network and the ability to create smart contracts has proved functional enough for the current purposes of DeFi, which have been growing by leaps and bounds, as you guys know. And take a look at this. Almost 70% of the total value locked in DeFi is on Ethereum's blockchain. It's a percentage that clearly indicates that instead of facing severe competition from smart contract heavyweights like Solana, BSC, Cardano, Ethereum is still rock steady as a leader in that space. And during the recent crash that we saw on Friday, Ethereum's price did plunge 17.8%, and it's starting to recover. Thankfully, we've regained that $4,000 mark as of late. But this is hardly new for Ethereum. Take a look here at the 1-year chart. The token has a record of recovering from massive dips in the past. This is really almost not even surprising at all. In fact, it recovered pretty well from its 56% price drop, which happened in May of 2021, and just 10 days ago reached a new all-time high. We have a really good feeling about Ether being a good buy during this current market dip, and there are 2 reasons for it. Reason number 1, almost 5 million ETH have been burned and taken out of circulation. And if you see the burn rate, it's been going up, and this could lead to further pumps. This feeds right into the whole scarcity argument, and rightfully so. And reason number 2 is Beacon Chain, the core of faster scalable ETH 2.0, just celebrated its 1-year anniversary. And by Q2 of 2022, the merge with ETH 1.0 may very well happen. So this is going to be a big event any way you look at it, and such events do tend to drive up the price. Okay, so that was Ethereum. Another one of our favorites that we're looking at during this dip is Binance Coin BNB, which is an obvious choice, at least as we see it. It's the native token of Binance, as you guys know, one of the leading crypto exchanges. But BNB's market cap quickly climbed to number 3 when Binance launched Binance Smart Chain back in September 2020. And since then, Binance has made huge strides in catching up with Ethereum in terms of trading volume. Right now, currently, its market cap is over $93 billion, and the TVL, total value locked on BSC, is close to 10% of the entire DeFi TVL, ranking second after Ethereum. If you look at January 2021 and the BNB charts, you're going to notice that BNB is up over 1,100% since that time. And that's even after witnessing 2 significant drops in that span of time, the first of which was in May 2021, and another big one in September 2021. But impressively, the token recovered very well from each drop. In fact, it has more than doubled from its May 2021 drop, which clearly shows that BNB holds potential when it comes to rapid recovery, not unlike Ethereum that we just looked at. And BNB would have soared even higher this year had it not received multiple regulatory setbacks. As per the recent news, Binance aims to become a registered crypto asset firm in the UK in 6 to 18 months. And with approval from the FCA, Binance could offer products such as futures and derivatives in the UK, and this could prove to be a very, very good omen for the price of BNB. And moreover, with regular burns, BNB, and a growing DeFi ecosystem, the BNB token and its corresponding price is expected to go up much harder potentially if the market also works with it and chooses as well as a whole to move up. At number 3 on our list, we're looking at Polkadot, ticker DOT, DOT. That's the native token of Polkadot, which is one of the blockchains with the most potential in the ecosystem in terms of security, interoperability, and scalability, because they've developed parachains that make up a varied ecosystem of autonomous platforms, communities, and economies that are transforming how we communicate on the internet. Polkadot is a network protocol that allows arbitrary data, not just tokens, to be transferred across blockchains. And Polkadot's native BEP20 token is called DOT, with a market cap of about $27.5 billion and a 24-hour trading volume in the realm of $1.3 billion. DOT has a circulating supply of 987 million and a total supply of 1.1 billion. And DOT has 3 distinct purposes, really: governance over the network, staking, and bonding. And the behavior of DOT's price when looking back on the last year here really has 2 big parts: before the parachains and after the parachains, because it's a milestone that gives the real potential, or at least highlights the real potential of this particular blockchain. The Polkadot ecosystem just started with the launch of its parachains, where you have Moonbeam, Akala, and A-Star guaranteed an auction slot with more than 78 million DOT. And according to Engine, the initial draft of the paratoken standard for Polkadot has been committed. This is the ultimate standard, by the way, for cross-chain NFTs. Next up on our list is Polygon, ticker MATIC, MATIC. MATIC is the native token of Polygon, which is an Ethereum-compatible blockchain network where devs, that's developers, can build and link protocol and architecture, integrating scalable Ethereum solutions to support a multi-chain Ethereum environment. Therefore, at least in theory, Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into a full-fledged multi-chain system. And also, Polygon solves pain points associated with blockchains like high gas fees and slow speeds, importantly, without sacrificing on security. Polygon really is one of the best layer 2 alternatives to Ethereum's scalability and high cost fees, and that's why the price of MATIC really exploded back in April 2021. That's because the blockchain started to have massive adoption, which is expressed in a boost in the number of MATIC wallet addresses that are used, and correspondingly also the price, as you can see, taking a look at the last year. And this multi-chain system is kind of akin to other ones such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with at least a few major upsides. First of all, ETH compatibility, scalability, security, and sovereignty. And Polygon has crossed 15,000 transactions and $30 million in volume. And lastly on our list for today, we have a smaller project, one that may surprise you, but one that we're fiercely proud of, Enjinstarter, ticker EJS, that's the native token. This is all about the world's first dedicated blockchain gaming launchpad focusing on helping game development studios. Now, Enjinstarter's native ERC20 token is called EJS, which nowadays has a 24-hour trading volume of about $1 million with a total supply of 4.9 billion tokens. And token distribution is planned with the long-term evolution of communities and ecosystems in mind. This will allow users to operate more efficiently as a platform and to attract and stimulate the development of long-term quality projects and infrastructure. And since March of this year, the performance of this coin has always been stable, really even over the long term. Why? Well, because it's a robust platform that supports gaming and metaverse projects with huge potential every week. And if you guys are at all believers in this space, well, this is a project that is specifically working to improve it. Enjinstarter has its own blockchain called JumpNet, which has no gas fees, carbon negative NFTs, and smart contract support. In this blockchain, Enjinstarter has developed Launchpad, campaign management, marketplace, and token management. And according to CryptoRank, Enjinstarter supported projects built in the Ethereum, Polygon, and BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain blockchains, offer a current ROI of 6.14 times, with an all-time ROI of 16.15 times. And they've already raised more than $900,000 and a 24-hour trading volume of $6 million with a market cap of about $47.5 million. So guys, the truth is that there are a lot of great projects that are currently deeply discounted right now, many of which deserve your attention in the crypto and altcoin space, but these specifically are 5 of ours that we have our eyes on. As always, we put our money where our mouth is. So during these dips, this is when you buy. Not financial advice, but this is kind of when you buy. That's the conventional wisdom, right? Is to buy up assets on red days. Don't chase all-time highs. Don't FOMO in on green days. Buy your assets on red days one way or another if you're already committed to investing. These are our 5 choices. Let us know among these which ones you like. Let us know which ones perhaps we should have included on this list. Let us know which ones you're buying by commenting in the comments below. Once again, guys, best of luck if you choose to invest, but none of this is financial advice. If you're still watching, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other videos, which should be popping up right about now. Have a great week, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Stay safe, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.